Max, just give us a little detail about your GLI.
He came from the Hong Kong.
All right. Well, first of all, my name is Max. Here I got a 2012 GLI. It's got a 101 Ingo Nowick flare kit. That's basically for the Golf R, but I got the Jetta R bumper and headlights, so I'm kind of doing my own thing here with the wide body scene, and then airlift, V2 suspension, and APR stage 2, boost pipes, and looking to go KO4 soon.
Yeah. Soon, guys. Soon.
More to come.
So what are we doing today?
All right.
Today.
On today's episode.
Today on Garage Meets.
That's M-E-A-T for anybody that can't spell.
That's right, M-E-A-T. Anyways, we're going to be doing a lot of PP touching with installing a diffuser that I got off of a guy off Instagram. Shout out. Once I install it, I'll tag him. And anybody interested in getting one in the future, hit me up. Pre-facelift Jettas only. He is in the works of doing the facelift model, and also scored some pretty cool LED tail lights with sequential blinkers, so looking forward to see.
Let's just check those out real quick. Show the viewers.
Yeah. Fucking Razor Ramon. This one here.
Do a little bit of unboxing, you know
I'll
what
be
I'm
so
saying?
mad like if I open this box and you're recording and then like they're just all busted open and shit. So I actually found these on OfferUp.
Let's.
Yeah, they are VLAN brand, and I looked online. They're roughly about $250 brand new. I got them brand new for $130 shipped.
Nice.
So I scored a pretty sweet deal.
$1 million.
And let's see.
Toy.
I got the shit like facing upwards.
Let me know where that battery's at.
Nice.
Let's see. Got the dark tint like the factory.
Nice.
How's this go?
This motherfucker GLI. Nice.
Oh, yeah, those look nice.
Oh yeah. No cracks, no scratches. Supposed to be a true plug and play, so we'll see how that goes as well. See how they look lined up together.
After Richard, check the.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
They look pretty good.
You got that new style look to it though.
Yeah, like the Audi.
Max, I would stay over there in case it fucking
Yeah, it's kind of have like an Audi style. LED.
Yeah, it looks like the A4.
Yeah, LED style brake lights, sequential turn signals, I believe, is right here.
Nice.
So I'm excited to see how those flash.
All right. Well,
Alright, guys.
stay tuned, yeah.
China. Zhejiang, China. Industrial area.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Ni hao, hi now.
Mijo.
Give me a east side.
A little bit more.
Más.
Alright.
That's how it goes?
Yeah. This hole here. You gotta put a bolt here, which I got.
Damn.
And then you kind of just drill everything into the valence. You don't really see anything.
Oh, it's like self-tappers?
Yeah.
You could taste like the Yeah, you can taste that, but like this has
Alright,
It's
so-
a big ass screw.
I know.
yeah.
I guess
It's
it's
slight. It's not
for it to.
It's not like a strong beer taste.
That's the screw that came with it.
No, it's kind of for, so it'll have that like center point of stability, because it basically holds it all up in the middle here. Okay, now it goes like this. Alright, so he said put this one on first, and then we can just let it dangle.
What size is this?
12. Yeah.
I can't tell. I'll find out.
So this lip here, two go in there, and then two go on this side.
Oh yeah, it already has.
Yeah.
Yeah, he cut them on this, so that's good. Just kind of like bend it up. Alright.
That side is flush. This side is not.
You mean flush?
Like on the inside. Oh my fucking.
Oh yeah, because I'm like,
Oh, you're pushing.
yeah.
Okay.
But does it look symmetrical, like fucking parallel and shit?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Send it.
Nailed it. No.
Oh, this is crooked as fuck.
What the fuck? It is fucking crooked.
No, it's not.
This one's sticking out more.
You just fucking moved it.
I'm holding it. Oh.
Huh.
It's not sticking out more.
It's not.
It doesn't matter.
Hold on.
I can't fucking tell.
Your side in.
Isn't that where we had it?
But now, yeah. Now
Or we had it again, like almost against the exhaust. It's not too far out. It's your preference.
Does it look alright though?
I mean, I guess it's still not as far out as your wheel. So
Do you guys measure it to see the gone feels like?
you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, we can just go to the
So now are those holes good or no good?
No, they're good.
I don't know.
So we ran some holes through here.
That's like from that in the house. All that shit is all.
That shit
Fingers.
doesn't look old.
That's a good mark.
Where's
the marker?
Shit, look at the one at my mom's house.
Right above my
More
finger.
than
Oh
10
shit.
years.
Right above my finger.
That one is running when the house came with it. When the building, because that house is not old. The house
Works.
is 97.
That's the bottom, right?
Still back then like that.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh fuck my finger.
I'd have kept one too. You don't need all 10.
On some hostile type shit.
This is the finished look right here.
They always hooking up in there.
Dynamo, okay.
You're gonna have to use. Hey, you know what you.
You have one of those?
When we
I
plat-
have to return that shit.
What?
oh, that's crazy.
You gotta turn all that shit back.
way different. What?
Flatheads.
Put it on your back, what?
Oh shit, it's steady.
Yeah, then you add another.
What kind of pain in the ass you want to deal with a fucking
Then you put a good.
Can you put a socket on?
I guess like
You put another 40 pounds on that. Then you got your boots, and then your other gear,
your boots.
and then you're going on a 12-mile rough track march.
12 miles later.
Yeah, I didn't do that shit after basic.
Get deployed?
Huh?
You get deployed?
Yeah, kind of. I went to Iraq for 6 months, and then I went to Kuwait for 6 months.
I would count that as being deployed.
6
What else
months
is
ain't a
there?
deployment. To
Well,
me,
it was a full year.
yeah.
But then I did.
Kuwait.
I did
Don't
6 months
listen
in
to this
Ukraine.
motherfucker talk no shit. He was stationed in Hawaii for
I know,
3
bitch.
years.
Look, he's talking about the 12-mile work march.
suck.
He was like, hey, you put this on, you put like 60 pounds in there, you do 12-mile work march. I was like, you didn't do that shit. He was like, I know I didn't. I fucking fractured my elbow, man. How I get 3 pins in that shit?
I got a boxer's fracture. And I came home.
You didn't want to be in the Marines no more?
I'm selling the golf bar.
Fuck out of here.
The 7?
You don't want that job.
I wish I would have got your 12. Your Mark 6.
Too bad they destroyed that car too, you know.
I did not.
He was all doing all
I never
that
broke anything on that.
brake boosting.
Oh yeah,
fucking,
yeah. Oh, make sure you get that on camera. Because that destroys cars.
Launching that motherfucker.
Launching it, I only launched it maybe 600 times and never broke anything. Had the second fastest 60 foot in the world with that car. First fastest on street tires. But yeah, you know, that breaks cars. And
You're not supposed to be driving your car fast on highway.
yeah, dude, you're not supposed to accelerate. You're not supposed to floor it.
Don't
No,
even use the gas pedal, right?
you're supposed
What's
to.
wrong with this thing?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't get this.
Hey,
Hey,
that's what happened with 3 kids trying to
Here, switch.
fucking
Switch
wheel
me.
cars
oh yeah,
and
that's
shit.
what happens when 3 kids try to be mechanics. I forgot all these good comments. All this internet gold.
Oh, man.
All these YouTube motherfucking keyboard warriors. Look, one side.
Alright, cool.
Where you the other.
Get that shit out, man! Get that shit out!
And then both got it out.
That worked though.
That's funny as fuck.
You're funny as fuck.
At least you're not turning wrenches right now.
Yeah, because
You don't know how to do that.
Rubber does shit.
rubber.
Nailed it.
That was the hardest fucking little thing to unscrew.
Yeah, dude. Because when they're tight, it like cuts into your fingers.
Might have to switch again.
Here, I'll hold the light.
Richard's
No,
the
it's-
Richard's the master.
Master.
With everything.
Good at getting clips off.
He just has
he's
patience.
impatient,
Might need you to get this one.
And you got them dick beating.
I'm pretty sure one of y'all is gonna get it off, and then there you go. All right, watch Max get his out now.
Dude, that was way harder than it should have been. Oh, this one doesn't have the nipple like the Mark
See?
6. This has the clip right here, though. This is what was holding it in.
What's it?
What all needs to be done here? Oh, I haven't got him keys. You left them on the
Oh yeah.
on the trunk.
Hit the unlock button or something.
Right.
Fucking horn.
Only one of them works. Bro, them shits are
Fire.
tits money.
Yeah.
Mario, look at this.
It has that
Look at
fucking.
these Chinese reps, bro. Look at these
Rap
Chinese
City,
reps.
boy.
Rep City. Rep City.
Oh, that's tight.
That Knight Rider type of effect.
The brakes work?
Nah.
Nah.
Turn the stop, the light thing.
Did I give you the keys?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they do look like that.
Hey, you think it would have helped if I actually pushed the brake pedal instead of the clutch? Is the brake working?
Put it in reverse.
Yeah, the brakes are working. Reverse.
Reverse. Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Reverse
Nice.
works.
Blinkers.
Blinker.
You saw the blinkers.
Not
Yeah,
not working together though.
Yeah, well, kind of.
I don't think they work together. The picture shows that they're fucking. These insides are white
Yeah.
and these are yellow, so that is working.
Wait, we didn't plug anything else, so what are all those connectors for?
Do they function like all together like that?
Hit the brakes. Back.
Oh, do these come on over?
Nah.
Those are plugs, right?
No, those are brakes. Okay, so that's the brakes that's not working. Wait, that doesn't make sense.
The brake is working.
No, these. Piggyback off this brake light.
You want to be a control technician, man?
It's not really connected because we're gonna have to take it apart to put them together correctly.
Fucking running through this shit.
Yeah. So they teach you how to take off tire wraps? Tie wraps?
Yeah.
Okay. Then yeah.
You're gonna have some side cuts.
That's all you gotta do.
Yep.
The fuck?
I hit the brakes.
Where? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna come see? You wanna hold it, Richard? So that. Alright, so now we just gotta put the wires away.
Yeah.
Y'all want some zip ties or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like fold this in half, probably.
Alright. Let me get that. Just finishing up here. So.
Can you see in there?
Somewhat. So, one of these red wires, fist it up through here.
You talk with a little bit more animation.
We fist this wire up into.
Nah, you don't got to be a dickhead about it. Yes.
Give me that mic so I can do that. Oh, that A. What the fuck is it called? AM.
ASMR.
Oh, yeah, that shit. Alright, guys. So we ran this wire into this grommet here.
We were at dinner yesterday and Denise was watching that shit. Like, what's fucking wrong with you?
Alright, so went through that grommet, up here, and back over here.
What are you doing?
Making sure it's fucking good.
He seen that shit.
Oh, they're definitely gonna get it in the comments. Don't let that guy touch a car.
Nailed it. Fucking, I remember the first time I used some fucking electrical tape.
Oh shit, that shit's not coming together.
No.
Razor blade. In the box.
Right here.
Yeah, fuck you guys in the comments. I got something for you fucks.
Shit.
Feel your gap here?
Huh?
Feel the gap? Like, is it flush? Not on this one.
Yeah, it's flush.
What about this side right here?
Tesla.
Working?
Yeah. Alright, that's it for the install of the diffuser and the taillights. Thanks for watching. And also, keep the hate comments coming. I love it. I love it. I love it.